Hi guys, me Jackson UK. Please like, share and subscribe. So please go to the next video and I hope you enjoy this guys. See you in a minute. So put her down. Put it down so like that. Get the right control. Put it down a bit further. Turn the control on and you turn the drone on. There's a little switch there. It's a camera drone, but you don't have to have this on the camera because it drains the battery very, very quickly. So, see it flashing? No, you can't see it flashing. Flashing, there you go. Right, the control, you go up, down, up and crash my drone. Camera's not very good. Hi. And you switch it off. Always do that for safety. I'll show you my big drone. I'm not going to fly this one a moment. This one's very, very loud. But there's my big drone. It normally has feet with it, but the feet keep on coming off. There's my big drone. Here's my little drone. Plus, I'm not going to fly the big drone because it's very, very noisy indoors. So I just let it so you can see it. And I've got stuff with my drones. I got the screwdriver, propellers. When you put the propeller on, make sure you put it around the right way. Don't put them all the same because otherwise it won't fly. Now I'm going to show you my Christmas decorations what I got from Poundland. There you go. So it's the Christmas decorations. You see them? Not bad, are they? All working. It's the first. And that's my teddy bears. I'm going to put some stuff on the wall for Christmas. There you go, guys. Guys, me Jackson UK. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. Me crashing the drone, or did I? I can't remember. Anyway, I show you my drone close up. Here's my baby. That's the one I love. Obviously I couldn't fly at the moment properly indoors. It's very hard flying indoors. Don't know why. So here's my little baby. I love this drone. She's really fast. So the control is not easy, but she's still good. And I'll show you my big one again. This one, obviously I couldn't fly this one because it's very loud. So I do it when I'm outdoors. And I show you a crasher. She normally have legs on. Oh, you notice she's still on. So I'll have better switch her off. what I've done, what I must have done. Who is it? I've lost. Who is it? Right, there you go. She was still on. Oops. I couldn't fly her, as I said. I will fly her outdoors, and you see me crashing her. But I won't do it. I'd never ever fly it when there's people around. I fly it out in the country somewhere that's safe. So, as I said, when all the lockdowns finish, because I can't fly her a moment because a lockdown, they don't want people to fly the drones outside. Don't know why. Silly. This one you don't have to have license because this is very light. You would think it's not, but it is. This is not a DJI. This is just a cheap little. What is she? She's a JJRC. She's very, very light. So you get away with this one. This one you definitely don't have to have license. This drone. Don't listen to people. Don't have to have a license. Drone license. Not for little ones. Not for light ones. As long as you're careful. Health and safety. So, anyway, I'll see you later, guys. I hope you enjoy it. Please like, share and subscribe. Press the ding ding button. It's around somewhere. And I hope you like it, guys. I'll see you later. Bye.